This is just a quick video to introduce you to the new external air injection assembly that now comes with all of our single tank iron and sulfur filters. Now, if you're not familiar with our old injection assembly, it looked like this. The way it works is water is driven through it in this direction. There's a white injector inside the body that you can access by unscrewing this cap. As water goes through that injector, it creates suction. The same principle as a softener drawing brine. That causes air to be drawn in through this cap, where it goes through this rubber duckbill that acts as a check valve. With the new injection assembly, we've made a few significant improvements. First and foremost, it's now completely ozone resistant, so right out of the box, if you are adding the ozone option, you don't need to swap any injection components. You just attach the tubing to the barb, and all of the components of this injection assembly that come into contact with the ozone are going to be ozone resistant. So we now have one injection assembly, whether you're drawing in just air or using the ozone generator. This assembly creates suction the same way as the old one did. We've still got the same white injector inside the body. We made the caps a little easier to remove with these quick release clips that just pop off. The cap pulls off, you'll see the injector in there. It's pretty far in there, so if you need to remove it for cleaning, just take a small screwdriver and push through the other end and it'll come right out. The other cap is removed the same way. Just take off the clip, remove the cap, and you'll see that the duckbill has been replaced with a spring check. You can remove this check valve for replacement or cleaning as needed if you take a paper clip, bend the end with a pair of needle nose pliers, and just reach in and pull it out. When you're putting it back together, just attach the caps, take the clip, and I just push it on like this, and make sure both ends lock in place. You'll want to take apart and clean this injection assembly anytime you notice that your filter is not drawing in air. When you do this, you'll also want to clean the screen inside the control valve. After you've reinstalled the injector assembly, return pressure to the unit, check for leaks, and then cycle the control valve to the air draw step of the regen cycle, and check for air draw at the end of the hose barb.